Have you ever noticed how the entrance gate completely changes the personality of a home? Before anyone sees the interiors, the living room, or the garden, the first thing that creates an impression is the main gate. A thoughtfully designed entrance is not just about security, it's about making a statement. Whether you prefer modern minimalism, timeless elegance, or luxurious detailing, the right gate can instantly elevate the entire look of your home. In today's video, we'll explore some of the most stunning main gate designs that combine functionality, craftsmanship, and luxury. Let's begin. Modern minimalist gates. Modern homes are embracing sleek, minimalist gates with clean lines and geometric patterns. Matte black steel, charcoal gray aluminum, and textured metal finishes are becoming increasingly popular. These gates often feature vertical metal slats, hidden handles, seamless automation systems, matte powder-coated finishes, integrated lighting. The beauty of minimalist gates lies in their simplicity. Instead of excessive ornamentation, the focus is on proportion, material quality, and precision. Warm wooden accents paired with dark metal frames create a sophisticated and welcoming entrance. Smart automated gates. Luxury today is incomplete without technology. Automated gates equipped with smart features are transforming the way homeowners interact with their entrances. Popular smart features include smartphone control, motion sensors, video intercom systems, face recognition, fingerprint access, remote opening systems. These innovations not only enhance convenience but also add an extra layer of security and exclusivity. Imagine arriving home at night and watching your gate open automatically as ambient lights illuminate your driveway. That's modern luxury. Lighting and landscaping. The gate itself is only one part of the entrance experience. Strategically placed lighting can dramatically enhance the beauty of the gate. Some elegant options include warm LED strip lighting, spotlights, pathway lights, uplighting around trees, wall washes. Combined with carefully planned landscaping, these elements create a grand and memorable first impression. Wooden and metal combinations. One of the most timeless combinations is wood and metal. Natural teak or walnut panels paired with sleek steel frames create warmth while maintaining a contemporary aesthetic. Popular finishes include natural teak wood, walnut veneer, black metal, brushed brass, bronze accents. This combination balances elegance with durability. Statement gates with artistic details. Many luxury homes are now using the main gate as a work of art. Artistic gates can feature laser-cut patterns, abstract designs, floral motifs, geometric textures, customized family monograms. These unique elements transform the entrance into an architectural centerpiece. Every detail, from the pattern to the finish, can reflect the homeowner's personality. Traditional luxury gates. For those who appreciate timeless grandeur, traditional gates remain a classic choice. Features often include ornamental ironwork, brass detailing, decorative arches, vintage-inspired patterns, stone pillars. When combined with natural stone cladding and warm lighting, these gates create a regal and elegant atmosphere. Oversized pivot gates. Pivot gates are becoming increasingly popular in luxury residences. Unlike conventional swing gates, pivot gates rotate around a central axis, creating a dramatic visual effect. Benefits include modern appearance, smooth operation, unique architectural appeal, enhanced durability, bold proportions. These gates instantly make a home stand out. Phase 3. Future trends and final inspiration. Sustainable luxury. Modern luxury is also embracing sustainability. Eco-friendly gate materials are becoming increasingly popular. Recycled aluminum, sustainable wood, energy-efficient lighting, solar-powered systems. Sustainability and elegance can coexist beautifully. Glass and metal combinations. For ultra-modern homes, glass and metal gates offer a sleek and futuristic appearance. Frosted or textured glass panels combined with matte metal frames create an elegant balance between openness and privacy. These designs work especially well for contemporary villas and luxury residences. Custom entrance experiences. Today's homeowners are creating complete entrance experiences. Some premium additions include water features, floating pathways, sculptural lighting, statement nameplates, vertical gardens. A well-designed entrance tells a story before anyone even enters the house. As we come to the end of today's journey through some of the most luxurious and inspiring main gate designs, we hope you've discovered ideas that can transform the entrance of your dream home. Remember, a main gate is much more than just an entry point. It's the first impression, the first statement, and the first glimpse into the personality of your home. Whether you love sleek modern metal gates, timeless wooden designs, artistic laser-cut patterns, or grand statement entrances, the perfect gate should reflect your style while balancing beauty, security, and functionality. Every detail matters, from the materials and textures to the lighting and landscaping. A thoughtfully designed entrance can completely elevate the architectural appeal of your home and create a welcoming experience for everyone who visits. We'd love to know which design inspired you the most. Was it the minimalist contemporary gate, the elegant wooden and metal combination, or the grand artistic entrance? Share your favorite in the comments below and let us know what topic you'd like us to cover next. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday Interiors TV, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos on luxury interiors, modern architecture, home decor ideas, and design inspiration. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep designing beautiful spaces that truly reflect who you are. See you in the next video on Everyday Interiors TV.